Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to change the letters to numbers in columns in Excel. So if you see here, these are the columns and these are the rows. A, B, C, D, E, all these are columns. If you go like that, you will see except D is the last column. I think it is there are odd columns are there in Excel sheet. I will show what is the except D number. Yeah, 16,384 columns are there in Excel sheet. Now, I I want to change this A B C D as 1 2 3 4. First, you go to File and click the options and go to Formulas. So here by default it is RNC1 reference style is unchecked. See what is this RNC1 reference style? Instead of using the letters for columns and numbers for rows, this option enables using numbers for both rows and columns. So I will check this R1C1 reference style. See here, A, B, C, D are there. If I once I click OK, you will change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go and check the number of columns. 16,384 columns. That is nothing but XFD. If you want to get back to letters again, you have to go to the same formulas and uncheck this R1 C1 reference style and click OK. You can get A, B, C, D like this. So this is how you know to change the letters to numbers and numbers to letters in Excel sheet. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.